Hey there, savvy shoppers. If you're always on the go and love scoring deals while shopping on your phone, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to use Rakuten, the ultimate cashback app that puts money back in your pocket for everyday purchases on mobile apps. Did you know you can earn cash back on things like clothes, electronics, and even groceries just by shopping through Rakuten? It's a game changer for anyone looking to stretch their budget without cutting back on fun. First things first, let's get you set up. Start by downloading the Rakuten app from the App Store or Google Play Store. It's free and takes just a minute. Once it's installed, open the app and sign up with your email or link it to your existing account. If you're new, you'll even get a welcome bonus just for joining, which is like free money right off the bat. Now, the fun part. Finding deals. Open the Rakuten app and use the search bar to look up your favorite stores or apps, like Amazon, Walmart, or Sephora. Rakuten partners with thousands of retailers, so chances are, your go-to spots are there. Once you find a store, tap on it to activate cashback. This is crucial. Make sure you click through Rakuten's link to ensure your purchase is tracked. Next, head over to the store's mobile app on your phone. Shop as you normally would, add items to your cart, and complete your purchase. Rakuten works seamlessly in the background, so you won't notice a difference except for the cashback heading your way. After your shopping spree, keep an eye on your Rakuten account to see your earnings pile up. Most cashback is credited within a few days, and you can cash out via PayPal or check once you hit the minimum threshold. Using Rakuten on mobile apps is a total win-win. It's easy, secure, and helps you save without extra effort. Plus, with rates up to 10% or more on select items, you'll wonder how you ever shopped without it. So, what are you waiting for? Download Rakuten today, start earning, and turn your everyday shopping into a rewarding adventure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more money-saving tips.